Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
You start by giving the app permission to collect the minimal data it needs. This is essential so Rise can track your sleep reliably. Once done, enter your usual wake and sleep windows and set your target sleep duration, for example 5 hours. Make sure to allow background activity and, if you want, the optional microphone for noise detection. This step gets you to the app's main dashboard quickly so you can begin the personalized guidance without delay. You'll use Rise every day to log behaviors that influence sleep. Tap through the ready-to-sleep routine when prompted and record caffeine, alcohol, naps, and exercise. Once the app calculates your sleep bank and daily sleep score, use those numbers to shift bedtime in small increments, 15 to 30 minutes, rather than big jumps. If you wear a tracker, sync it nightly. If not, make quick manual adjustments for travel or late nights, so the app's recommendations stay accurate and actionable. To finish each week, review trends and follow the wind down and light exposure cues Rise gives you. These targeted actions explain why small changes improve sleep quality. If you notice tracking errors, recalibrate by regranting sensor permissions or editing a sleep episode manually, which corrects your baseline. If things still go wrong, force close the app, reboot the device, and clear the app cache. Then log a controlled test night to confirm data flows correctly, and your recommendations return to expected accuracy.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.